Welcome to the PATON channel. Today, we're going to take a look at one of our best sellers among paint and semi-automatic machines, the EuroMIG. This machine is designed for semi-automatic welding of products made from ferrous and non-ferrous metals. It's perfectly suited for use in professional workshops, auto repair shops, and maintenance facilities. In addition to the main MIG/MAG welding method, the PATON EuroMIG also operates in two other modes, MMA and TIG DC. A key feature of this model is its high productivity, specifically a duty cycle of 80% at a nominal current of 150 amps. This nominal current allows you to work with solid welding wire ranging from 0.6 to 1 millimeter in diameter, as well as any electrodes from 1.6 to 4 millimeters in diameter. Also, by changing the polarity through switching the power cable to the negative terminal, the machine can weld with flux cord self-shielded wire. The machine features a single body design with an enhanced protection class of IP33, as well as a two-roller wire feed mechanism and an enclosed construction. The compartment comes with a bracket for installing wire spools from 1 to 5 kilograms. The machine is powered by a single-phase power supply of 220 to 230 volts. Another feature of this model is the spot function for spot welding. Welding in MIG/MAG mode, which allows you to perform welding with a precisely set spot time. It's perfect for thin metal and provides clean, neat, and controlled weld spots. The PATON EuroMIG is available in two configurations. The full set comes with a 3-meter and B15 torch, copper welding cables with an electrode holder and a clamp, a ground clamp from Abacor Binzel, and a quick connect fitting for the gas hose. And an instruction manual, or the VAM option, which only comes with a welding cable and ground clamp for welders who already have a torch or want to choose a torch that fits their needs. The PATON EuroMIG has two screens for setting the welding mode and uses an encoder-type control, making the setup process as easy as possible. The machine also comes with a roller for solid wire with a diameter from 0.8 to 1 millimeter. The mode button lets you select the desired welding mode. MMA, after activating this mode, set the required welding current using the encoder. TIG, similarly, set the welding current with the encoder. MIG, in this mode, as you can see, the second screen turns on, which shows the wire feed speed in meters per minute. And on the main screen, the welding current and voltage are displayed. The programs and inductance bodies. The machine allows you to save up to 16 programs with individual parameters for each mode. By pressing this button, you can adjust the inductance level in MIG/MAG mode. Inductance in MIG/MAG is a parameter that determines how soft or hard the welding arc is. A higher level of inductance means a softer arc and less spatter. A lower level of inductance results in a harder arc with deeper penetration. The test gas button is for checking and adjusting the shielding gas flow. The wire install button is for feeding the wire. When feeding the wire, gas is not supplied. Torch is for selecting the trigger mode on the torch handle. 2T is for short welds, and spot is for spot welding. 4T is for long welds. In normal operating mode, selecting and adjusting the machine's functions is limited to setting the welding current, while in MIG/MAG mode, you also adjust the wire feed speed. To unlock access to other parameter settings, you need to press and hold the encoder for 3.5 seconds. While unlocking, images of horizontal lines appear on the screens, fading out one by one. After all the lines have disappeared, access to the settings is unlocked. Let's take a closer look at the advanced functions available in MIG/MAG mode. Voltage. Setting a welding voltage from 12 to 23 volts. Inductance. Adjusting the inductance level up to 5. Welding current ramp-up time from 0 to 5 seconds. Welding current ramp-down time from 0 to 5 seconds. There are also advanced functions available on the screen that control the wire feed speed. Specifically, you can adjust the wire feed speed from 1 to 10 meters per minute, enable soft start for the wire to ensure a smooth welding start, and prevent the wire from hitting the workpiece before the arc is ignited. The pre-gas flow time can be adjusted from 0.1 to 25 seconds, And the post-gas flow time can also be set from 0.5 to 25 seconds. In spot mode, settings are available. The spot time can be adjusted from 0.5 to 5 seconds. The pause time between spots ranges from 1 to 10 seconds. Now let's move on to the practical part and demonstrate how it works. PATON EuroMIG in MIG-MAG mode on low carbon steel to show the full potential of the machine. Thanks for watching. High quality audio from the video playing now. The PATON EuroMIG is a versatile and reliable machine that delivers high-quality welding in all modes and is also convenient for everyday use. Friends, thank you for being with us. Subscribe to the PATON channel, give us a like, and let us know in the comments which models you'd like to see in our next reviews.